universe must want me to win. I'm happier than I've ever been, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win, yeah. The universe just gave me a leg. Sit down an angel so fine and so thick, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win. Send me an angel. I woke up smiling this morning, feeling so grateful. I'm dripping in 40 pointers, mama, I made it. I had a dream about this feeling and I claimed it. Yeah, I embraced it. I'm so blessed, and I probably don't deserve all this, and I know that. Yeah, I know that I'm a mess, but you see more than the surface. Girl, you more than beautiful, you perfect. Oh, oh. Heaven only knows, you're more than what I want, you're what I need. Gotta give it up, you're more than what I dream, yeah. The universe must want me to win. I'm happier than I've ever been, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win, yeah. The universe just gave me a leg. Sit down an angel so fine and so thick, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win, yeah.
Did it hurt when you came down to fall like that? Suck the landing, of course, cause you all like that. Should've known it was God with no flaws like that. All in that, I risk it all for that. I don't know what I did in this life for the last to deserve such a past perfection. Maybe I will fight so it lasts to the next and beyond. Give me that blessing. Heaven only knows, knows it's being what I want is what I need. Gotta give it up, you more than what I dreamed, yeah.
The universe must want me to win. I'm happier than I've ever been, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win, yeah. The universe just gave me a leg. Sit down an angel so fine and so thick, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win, yeah. I'm up now, feeling like I just made a touchdown. 10 seconds on the clock, they can't stop us now. We on top of the world, me and my baby.